Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So on this channel we focus on a lot of popular hair trends, and you may be wondering, how can you perfect these looks at home? They look good at the salon, but how do you style them? So today's video is going to feature some DIY hair trends and how you can style these looks. So here we have the shaggy mullet style. So she's just kind of doing a bit of a self trim. Then she's doing a blowout with the hair. Then going in with the curling iron. So with this particular hairstyle, you really want to make sure that you're taking the time to curl the hair in the way that it falls with the cut. This will create a beautiful soft texture. And here are some different styling options that you can kind of play around with this particular hairstyle. So she did some butterfly clips at the top. And then we do have a curling iron hack. She does have more of that 90s blowout layered style that we're seeing. And then here she is doing her own DIY curtain bangs. Absolutely stunning. Her hair looks so full and voluminous. So next up we have the styling with the rubber bands. Now one way that you can pull off these looks is by grabbing a wig. So this is a wig off of Amazon, and she is basically styling this one. And this features the skunk stripe trend, pop-up color trend, blonde mixed with copper colored hair. This is a great option if you want to dye your hair temporary and you don't want to actually damage your hair. You can simply try out a wig. And then we have someone doing the butterfly haircut themselves. Now she got the cut down part. If she wanted to kind of step the look up, she would do a blowout to kind of enhance the layers. And then we have someone doing a DIY money piece highlight look. Absolutely stunning. Love the copper and the blonde. And then we have another layered look. And then we have someone else who's going to be using a wig in order to try out the money piece highlight skunk stripe hair color trend. So once again, this is a great option if you want to play around with color, but you don't want to damage your own hair. So beautiful. So if you guys want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.